So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we can discuss how you can enable the weather tracking or weather updates on your noise smartwatch. You can conveniently access the weather forecast or the weather details on your noise smartwatch easily. You don't need to use your smartphone for that. The noise smartwatches provides you that feature, and to enable this you need to download the mobile application of noise which says noise fit. You can download it either from Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. For example, if I open this on my device, you first of all you need to pair your device if you are using it for the first time. Once you do the pairing, this is the home page you all are going to see. Here on the most below of the list, you're going to find 4 5 options which says home, challenges, friends, shop, and my device. You need to click on this option of my device. When you click there, here this is the settings of your particular device. It may be different for your device as well, but the most of the interface is going to be same. Here you need to scroll down until you find that option of weather settings. You're gonna see it's just right there. Just simply click on this, and here it's maybe defaultly disabled. You just simply need to hit enable over this, and here from here you're gonna see the live update. Weather update is going to be directly forecasted on my device only, my smartwatch only. And from here I can change the temperature units as well, as per my convenience, or as per the area that you have been living or you have been using the system. So by this method you can easily enable the weather tracking or the weather monitoring on your noise smartwatch. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.